Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to check the battery percentage and how to charge these earplugs JBL Wave Beam. But first, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So let's get started. First of all, how to know when you have to charge them. Usually you will hear an audio notification when you have a low battery percentage. Also, you can check this information in the app JBL Headphones. You have to connect your headphones first. Now I'm gonna do it. We have to take them off the case. And if you see these indicators, they're ready to pair. As you can see, they automatically pair it with my phone. So here on the main screen, you can see the percentage of each of your earplugs. If you have an Android phone, you can download an app as well. But also you can check this information in the Bluetooth parameter. When you are connected to your earplugs, you can see here your battery percentage. So now let's talk about the case, how much of a battery percentage it has. To do this, we need to open it, and we'll see that this indicator blinks green. That means that we have a fully charged battery. If it blinks orange, that will mean we have a half-charged battery. If it's red, then we have a low battery percentage and we need to charge it. Now let's talk about how to charge the case. So we're gonna need USB-C cable. This part we're gonna connect in here, and the another part we're gonna connect into the charger or charging ports of the computer, like I will do now. So pay attention to this indicator. Like I said before, if it's green, then you have a fully charged battery. If red, then you need to wait till it will be charged. So how much time it takes to get a fully charged battery? If we are talking about the case, then it takes 2 hours. For earplugs, it takes 1 hour. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.